I'm Francesca Curzi, Associate Vice President at HCL Software, and we are excited to speak with Leroy Dreyfuss from Market America, a customer of our HCL Automation Orchestrator platform. Thank you for joining us today, Leroy.
You're welcome.
From Market America.
Thank you. My pleasure.
We are really eager to know your experience with our product. First, can you tell us a bit about your company and the challenges you faced before you adopted the HCL Automation Orchestration solution?
We're a global company in 9 countries based out of North Carolina in the United States. Our problem was, after we acquired shop.com about 14 years ago, we had systems everywhere and they didn't talk to each other. And we spent way too much time integrating them. So we needed a means of automating what we had just to keep the company afloat while we improved our processes.
So pretty interesting challenge, right? And that sounds pretty frustrating to accomplish this, I will say, merger. So what initially attracted you to our automation orchestration platform, and what were the 3 reasons why you chose our solution?
So the first thing I saw was the actual interface that impressed us the most, myself particularly. Using a previous product was expensive to install and limited as to what kinds of systems it could run on. So yours was far more agnostic to technology and just simply installed properly, and it worked. So the ease of doing that and the people that were brought to bear on, it was like an army of people from all over, from India, from Rome, from various parts of the United States, to help us do our implementation. I had never seen anything like that.
So really committed to your success, correct?
Yes, very much. And to this day.
Very, very good. Thanks for the kind words, because your success is our success. And HCL Software is really partnering with our customers
very much
to enable your transformation and ensuring that your goals are absolutely achieved. So once you decided to move forward, how was the onboarding and implementation process for you and your team? Was there effective communication, quick responsiveness? And you already introduced this dedication, right, from our team to complete your project on time. So tell us a little more about that, please.
In the beginning, it was all about, can the technology do this? Can it do that? And the answer was yes, yes, yes. We had only minor roadblocks, and that was mostly on my part to find the time to understand that how to translate the data from one system into your system. But it was far easier to install and easier to distribute amongst agents, amongst other systems. So for the time it took for us to do the implementation, I think I always had 4 members of your team in contact with me at all times. I never had to wait to have any solution come my way. So it was so appreciative of that. And that's why we renew.
Really lovely journey with this implementation. Very, very good. So, and accordingly to what I would say, to which extent you are using now the platform, it sounds like the platform has really helped streamline your processes. Were there any specific features or functionalities that you found particularly useful?
Yes. The large number of plugins the way you handle events, triggering, and empowering the teams to build their jobs effectively and promote them from environment to enable ease of testing and moving to production. It has also solved a serious problem around manpower in that it has reduced the amount of hours we push buttons, and it has enabled us to deliver more work in less time.
That's very good. And about the transition from your previous platform, right?
Yes.
That was more standard workload automation scheduling technology to this advanced orchestration platform. Have you been able to extend the orchestration, right, capabilities and coverage within your organization? I mean, from a migration point of view, have you received benefits in switching the technology with us?
Oh, guaranteed. Absolutely. I had to deploy a lot of servers, 6 servers to run just production. And I have 2 in production, one as a backup for failover if necessary. And I have development and testing environments, and it's just 4, just those 4. So production, I've scaled down from 6 servers to 2, with HCL software.
So improvements from
Yes.
total cost of ownership, reduction,
definitely.
and from business perspective, implementation of process orchestration. Have you found easier with our platform to
it's more human than our previous platform. What I mean is it's designed to be used by a person, monitored by a person, and not so technical. In other words, it's not a tool that an engineer is going to just operate. You can be, the CEO and understand what's going on fairly easily. And the metrics that it provides and the reporting that it provides, I couldn't find that elsewhere in the market. Thank you.
Thanks, Leroy. So thank you so much for sharing your experience with us today. It has been great hearing from you how the platform has made such a positive impact to your business.
Thank you very much.